Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In 9 June, I was tell you that if you comment and I just randomly pick someone and give you guys like a 3 plus this plugin membership like license key, and also I will give you one license key about this pro. Only one people will get this, and only one website this pro, but this is will got these 3 people. So now I'm just going to take this winner as well. So I just copy this URL and go to here this website and just paste here the URL and just let's click on fetch, including reply. No, I'm not going to include this. Anything or top comment? No, it's okay. Everything anything goes. Okay. Choose filter. I'm not going to filter anything else because I don't say you that like take something. So let's click on continue button and it just now okay, so you just automatically collect the comments and now we can pick the winner. Just click on pick winner. Okay, so first of all get one, it's like a mushroom tech. He is got this +1. Let's move on another one, pick another winner. Chahi Naihan, he also got another thing, he also got this thing plus. And let's pick another one. Shake 360. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so these 3 people will get this plus thing, and let me find out another one for pro. This is the last. It's like Shahryar 24. I will give him our pro license key. Okay, so those are the user. We are already select 4 people, and I'll just contact with them, and I'll just send this. I send this mail in Wpform. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you just understand these, and I will just publish this video when everyone just got this thing. Then now it's okay. Thank you.